Children's Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the high prize show featuring an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free flying performances at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. located at the Force Amphitheater.
कुछ मिलेगा तो है नहीं होगा।
यहाँ पे खिलाते हैं।
Look, heliconias on both sides, calmly found in the tropical rainforest.
मिला क्या कुछ? वाह वाह वाह।
Scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises.
ब्यूटीफुल। नीचे भी हैं, पानी में भी छुपे हुए हैं। वेटलैंड्स। अरे हम लोग
To your left, the world's largest collections of hornbills and toucans.
क्या है? मोर टाइप का है।
To your right, windows on paradise. Always with you, and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.